Welcome to Organizational Theory. Today, we're going to be studying McClelland's need for achievement, power, and affiliation. You could call it McClelland's theory as well, as some do. It's very straightforward. Let's jump into the variables at hand. McClelland is postulating that people are motivated by three things: the need for achievement, the need for power, and the need for affiliation. The need for achievement, seeking success, avoiding low risk and high risk situations. Need for power, desire to control and influence others. Need for affiliation, prefer harmonious relationships and avoid high risk situations. Moving further here, the need for achievement. Individuals with a high need for achievement seek to excel and thus tend to avoid both low risk and high risk situations. They prefer tasks where success is due to their efforts rather than luck. Next one is need for power. This need is characterized by a desire to control and influence others. People with a high need for power are often found in leadership positions. Third one is need for affiliation. Individuals with a high need for affiliation prefer harmonious relationships with other people and often work well in customer service or client interaction situations. They tend to avoid high risk or high stress situations. Understanding these needs can help management to motivate their employees by providing them with opportunities to satisfy these needs in their work. And to be quite honest, it's all about knowing what makes your people tick, because people are different. Some like the limelight, they love the spotlight, and others shy away from it. They detest it, they absolutely hate it. So you got to know who you're working with. And that's it for McClelland's theory. I hope you found this helpful. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe.